This is my Jio dongle Wi-Fi hotspot. It's not powering on. See. So how to fix this is, see, it will not power on. So why it's not powering on? Because the battery is completely dead, 100% or 0%. There is not a single juice left in it. So what you need to do, you need to remove a battery, then keep the extra SIM card, forget it. Then once you remove the battery, then you can press the power button. So device will power on without a battery support. Okay, see this, now it's powered on. Then you can place the battery in. Make sure your USB is connected. Okay, and without this it will power on, but what happens, it takes some time to charge the battery, like 15-20 minutes, because battery is 100% drain or full drain, not a single percent available. So that's why it was not powering on. Now it's powered on, so now I can use it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.